Hi everyone, today we are cooking chicken fajitas. I have all of the ingredients here. I have my washed chicken, some onions, garlic, Thai chilies, a yellow bell pepper, some cumin powder and chili powder, paprika, black pepper, and Himalayan salt. Alright, so I have put the bell pepper and onions on the side, and then also salted and put some pepper on the chicken. And our pan is heating up with some extra virgin olive oil. Alright guys, I've added the chicken in the pan. It's just cooking right now. I've put salt and pepper on each side of the chicken. This is just an extra step I like to do to make sure the chicken is crispy before I cut it up and season it, and then I add it with the bell pepper and onion. But if you want, you can also just cut it up, season it up, and just cook it all together, and then you can add the bell pepper and onions, but I like doing it this way. Alright guys, this is what I mean by adding the extra step of cooking the chicken on each side so that way it's crispy. So this is it, and you fry it up for about 3 minutes on each side. Alright guys, I've added the Thai chili and garlic in the pan. I'm going to fry it up for about 30 seconds. Alright guys, this is what I mean by cutting up the chicken and seasoning it with some cumin, paprika, and chili powder. And I've added a little bit more black pepper, and then I'm going to add it into this pan right here pretty soon. After about maybe 10 more seconds, I'm going to add it in here. Allow it to cook just a little bit more. So here's the chicken. I'm going to add it back in the pan. And about after a minute of frying up the chicken, I added the bell pepper and onion, and I'm going to just mix it all together. Allow it to cook for about 2 minutes together, and it should be pretty much done. You don't want to fry it up too long because then your chicken's going to be really dry and everything's going to be overcooked. Alright guys, it's all done. This is your chicken fajitas. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe. Thank you.